You love to watch Instagram reels or TikTok videos, but you do not get paid for it. On this video, I'm going to show you a new website that will reward you for the time you spend on the internet space, watching short videos or reels online. Okay, so this website can pay you as much as $1,120 on a weekly basis if you can give it little of your time. I'm super excited about this very one because it's a tested and trusted website. It's a sure website for you, especially if you're from my country, Nigeria. Okay, they pay in US dollars, so this website is a sure for you. It will definitely pay you because it has paid many people. Okay, and this is not some kind of website that pays via PayPal or so. In the course of this video, I'm going to show you their method of payment, so you can earn from this website if you're from Nigeria, Austria, Turkey, South Africa, just name it. Wherever it is that you are, you will definitely make money from this website. Right now, if you just see my video for the first time, my name is Chidi and I welcome you to Welding Mindset with Chidi. And for you, my returning subscriber, thank you for always tuning in. You are the best. On this channel, all I share is information on how you can make money on the online space. So ensure you stick with me to the end of this video. Like and join the family of the Welding Mindset by subscribing to this channel, and also turn your notification bell on to always get updated whenever I upload content that can possibly make you money on the online space legitimately. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video. This website has paid several individuals. This is a payout of $20, $33, $44, $25, $19. All are via cryptocurrency. And the last one here is $11 paid via payouts. So just as you can see that these websites do not pay via PayPal, just as some of you requested that I make video on a website that does not require PayPal. Okay, here you have it now. This website pays in USDT. All you just have to do is to get your Binance account, all those cryptocurrency accounts, and it is very easy. Once your payment drops, it is very easy for you to access your money. Now, I'm going to mention the name of the website, but I advise you do not skip this video to go check it out because you may end up disappointed and not knowing how it works. I want to give you in details how you can benefit from this website, even if you are a student or someone looking for a side gigs to supplement your current 9-to-5 paycheck. So the name of this website is called Paidreels. Whether you're on the bus, at work, at school, on your bed, you can definitely earn money from Paidreels. You can earn here as a full-timer or a part-timer. You can earn money on this website using your Android, your iPhone, or your laptop. So you'll be making your first online money today, and of course be able to withdraw your money. So I'm excited about this one because I know it pays like they promise. So Paidreel is an app that nobody is talking about that has over 74,710 users and has paid $416,500 to its users. At Paidreel, you will earn real cash and not some points or gift cards. So they generate the money they pay you from billions of dollars companies who advertise on their platforms to get attention. So like I said, this website pays instantly. Immediately you watch a 30 seconds video, not even up to 20 seconds, because while I was watching and test running this website, the countdown for me was 20 seconds, and immediately the 20 seconds is up, you get a prompt immediately to tell you that you have received 0.25 cents or $1.16 depending on your location. For those in my country, what they pay them is 0.25 cents, but they pay others in other countries around $1.16. Now, for those of you in my country, imagine you dedicate 3 hours of your time on a daily basis, the time you spend on the internet. Imagine you dedicate just 3 hours to this website to watch just 20 seconds reels on a daily basis. You'll be able to watch around 60 videos on a daily basis, which will give you around $15 daily. So when you times it by 30 days, it will give you around $450 on a monthly basis, which is not typical. Okay, results are not typical. You can earn much more than that because people are actually withdrawing huge amounts of money from this website. Now, how do you begin on this website? You start by opening an account with them, which is free. So when you log on to Paidreels.com, the website looks exactly like this. You locate the 3 lines at the top of the page, just at the right hand corner. You click on it and you will see this interface on your screen right now. So locate the sign up button and click on it. And this interface will pop up where you fill in your username, email address, password. You confirm your password. You put in your PIN. If you have any referral, you impute it. If there is none, you leave it blank. Then you agree to the terms and condition, and then you create your account. So once this is done, you will get an instant email from the website that will ask you to click on the activate button to activate your account, to complete your registration, just like this one you have on your screen now. So when you're done activating your account, you go back to the website and then you log in using your email address and then your password. So you will get this interface where you have your dashboard. So your dashboard should look exactly like this. So you can see my earnings just for watching just 3 reels, 3 videos in less than 3 minutes. I earned this money you're seeing here. So now to start watching videos and making money on this website, you still click on the 3 dotted line at the top right hand corner of the page and this interface will pop up. You just click on Earn and you will see Paidreels TV, booster accounts, tutorials. You just go ahead and click on Paidreels TV and you will see a lot of videos available for you to watch and make money. So once you click on any video, the count begins. It counts for 20 seconds and once it is up, you'll be credited immediately. So as you can see now on my dashboard, my earnings has increased to $584 just for watching one more video. Now that I'm making this video, the money has increased. You know, this is just amazing. Guys, this website is worth it if you can give it little of your time. Now, to start on this website, you can start with 7 days free trial, where you can earn 779 naira on a daily basis. Do not mind the naira sign there, it's because of my location. So wherever you are, your money will appear in the currency that you are using. And to earn more on this website, you can upgrade your account to basic account, premium account, pro account, elite account, and even business accounts, depending on your capability, because you will be paying for it and your earnings will definitely increase. So you can also choose the referral program and earn 10% commission on any task they complete. So here you can withdraw your money via any crypto exchange like Binance, Payout. All you just have to do is to copy your wallet address and paste it on this website. And when it is time for you to withdraw your money, you go ahead and withdraw it. I also have my own Binance account. Also note that their withdrawal limit is $15. So once your money gets to $15, you are free to withdraw. So guys, go ahead and explore this website and make money for yourself. This website is just amazing. Their payment is just fast. Most of these websites that I've come encounter with do not really pay that much, but this website pays much, and that is one thing I love about it. So go ahead and explore this website, make money for yourself. So I hope you got value from this video. If you did, ensure you like this video, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button and also turn your notification bell to always get content like this. So until my next one, it is bye.